Hello ladies and gentlemen, today I have the brand new DAX. This 125 and 190 kilo and 190 centimeter tall and 90 kilo. Big man I am, and I'm going to speed to go fast with this up to 100 kilometer maximum speed. It's going to be a test. Let's go. Before I go, it's brand new, 65 kilometer. Even though it has 65 kilometer, I'm going to give it a max speed. This is a test motorcycle from in Athens, ProMoto Ginossatis company. It's a test ride. Look at the quality here, amazing quality. Look. It doesn't exist, δεν υπάρχει. Everything is well done here. This bike is going to last forever. It doesn't K. I can hold here. Okay. And let's go have it a ride, ladies and gentlemen. Max speed. Oh yeah.